Dishwasher noises are sometimes normal. For example, the hissing sound of water running through the dishwasher's water inlet valve, the sloshing sound of water circulating around the appliance, and so on. When your dishwasher makes loud unusual sounds or noises, there may be a problem that needs your attention. There are several reasons why dishwashers make noises while running. Luckily, some of these issues can be fixed by a fairly experienced and skilled handyman. Other problems need a professional repairman. Here are some of the common noises and what they signify. 1. Buzzing noise in the dishwasher. Dishwashers make a buzzing sound when they are forcing water through the drain. It is also a characteristic sound that signifies when the soft food disposal component of the machine is functioning during a washing cycle. These buzzing sounds are presumably normal. If the sound is extremely loud, almost sounding like a bang, it may signify a water hammer problem. A water hammer problem occurs when quick torrents of water make the water pipes to hit their surroundings. Inspect the machine first to be sure this is the issue. This problem can be solved with a water hammer shock arrestor. 2. Thumping noise in the dishwasher. Thumping noise in your dishwasher could be a result of the machine drain line that constantly hit the sides of the kitchen cabinets or the wall at the back. This occurs when you turn on the dishwasher. If the machine was installed not long ago, it may require readjustment. If these sounds come at constant, regular intervals, it may signify that the spray arms are most likely hitting an object while it is rotating. Oftentimes, these items are large kitchen utensils in the rack compartments. To resolve this issue, open the dishwasher and rearrange your pans and pots. The thumping sounds are presumably normal. 3. Grinding noise in the dishwasher. There are some dishwasher machines that come furnished with electric control. This electronic control has an electrical switch device situated in the control panel which is motor-driven. Because of the working motor, it may produce some grinding sounds while the dishwasher runs through a wash cycle. These sounds are normal and so you do not need to be alarmed. But, if your machine begins to make this noise suddenly, do the following. Open the dishwasher door during a mid-cycle. Wait until the steam dissipates. Then pull out the lower rack. Check the machine for any stuck items all over the drain impeller. When this noise continues, remove the drain impeller. Then check if there is any dirt stuck inside the chopper blade section. If there is nothing stuck in the machine, the grinding noise may be caused by insufficient spraying of water into the dishwasher. In this case, examine the water inlet valve for confirmation. 4. Clicking noise in the dishwasher. Some dishwasher machines are equipped with electronic control. This control makes clicking sounds as the machine runs through a cycle. Since these noises come from control, they are absolutely normal. Therefore, there is no cause for alarm. 5. Humming noise in the dishwasher. A lot of dishwasher models usually make a humming sound during a normal wash cycle. If you notice a change in this sound usually preceded by a loud hum sound, you may have to change the fan. It is important that you switch off the power supply to the dishwasher before you work on the machine. If you hear a loud or high-pitched sound, it can signify a malfunctioning motor. Luckily, a new motor part can be bought without replacing your dishwasher altogether. You should take note of the dishwasher model before you go to the hardware store or check an online store. 6. Rattling noise in the dishwasher. A rattling noise could be caused by improperly placed dishware or other kitchen utensils on the rack compartments. Open the machine and inspect it for any item not placed properly on the rack compartments. However, if there are no loose objects or items hitting against one another and the rattling sound is extremely loud, the dishwasher may be having a pipe issue. Occasionally, this noise can happen for many other reasons connected to a malfunctioning motor. If the rattling sound is not coming from the dishware but from the motor system, run an empty dishwasher cycle. Then check if the sound is still there. 7. Squealing noise in the dishwasher. It is normal for a new dishwasher machine to squeal during the first couple of times you run washing cycles. New machines may not contain any water in them, this causes the squealing noise. The squealing noise can also happen if you have not used the dishwasher for a long time. We usually recommend you add 1 quart of water below the dishwasher tub to stop the noise. 8. Banging noise in the dishwasher. If you hear a banging sound when the dishwasher runs, it's most likely an indication of a problem with the home water supply known as water hammer. A problem that happens when there's a problem with the water pressure. As the machine's water inlet valve closes, the pressure of water can make the water pipes to clatter. This causes the characteristic banging sound. If your home's having a water hammer problem, call a plumbing professional. 9. Knocking noise in the dishwasher. When you hear a constant knocking noise inside your dishwasher, it is most likely caused by a spray arm. This occurs when the spray arm hits something or an item inside the machine as it rotates. To resolve this, open your dishwasher. Then adjust the items so that the spray arm can rotate freely. Remember to switch off the power source to the machine before you open the dishwasher door. 10. Swishing noise in the dishwasher. During a dishwashing cycle, there is a swishing sound you will hear. This sound is the noise of water sprinkling inside the dishwasher basin during the wash or rinses cycles. It is a normal sound. 11. Clunking noise in the dishwasher. This is clunking noise you hear as when the dishwasher detergent cup opens about midway through the wash cycle. It usually occurs once during a washing cycle and is very normal. 12. Snapping noise in the dishwasher. This sound occurs midway of the washing cycle and it signifies the opening of the dishwasher detergent cup. Sometimes, the snapping sound you hear continuously all through the wash cycle may be the usual sound your dishwasher makes. This sound is produced when draining water away from the machine's interior. This happens often throughout the dishwasher cycle. Dishwasher machines can also make this sound when they run or when its door opens. If your machine makes this sound while it runs, it is most likely the solenoid is charging. The solenoid charges as the machine keeps filling and draining water many times throughout the dishwasher cycle. This causes the machine to make a snapping sound. Also, dishwasher models with hinged detergent cup make this sound when you unlock the dishwasher door. It is also normal. But if the machine isn't a turn-to-close model, it may signify a broken structure inside the dishwasher door hinges. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel. Then turn on your notification so you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, drop your comment so we'll know your thoughts. And check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimdishwashers.com for more dishwasher content like this. Thanks for watching.